small community by the ocean would like to start a manufacturer that sells salt and pepper. They have the pepper that they need, but the salt is not so easy because they have no salting mines in their area. Now, since they live by the ocean, one employee of this business decided that it would be a good idea to try to extract the salt from the ocean, from the salt water in the ocean. How would this be possible? Here's one way how to do it. What will you need? For this design, you will need a rice cooker, a small bowl to fit in your rice cooker, 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, at least a 1 liter measuring cup, water, something heavy to weigh down your bowl in the rice cooker because it will float in the water, a piece of duct tape or regular tape to cover up the hole on your rice cooker if you have one, some oven mitts, safety first, some sea salt, and lastly, a stove, which is upstairs. First, you have to make the salt water. To make the salt water, first you'll have to fill the measuring cup to 1 liter. Next, put 7 teaspoons of salt in the water. Now stir the salt up until it is not visible in the water anymore. Pour the salt water into the rice cooker. Smaller bowl into the rice cooker. Put your weight in the smaller bowl to help it stop from bobbing around in the water. Put the duct tape on the hole of the rice cooker and flip the lid upside down so that you can put it in the rice cooker upside down and it's ready to go on the stove to boil. While the salt water is boiling inside the rice cooker, it will evaporate up to the top of the lid and move to the lowest point on the lid, which would be the handle. The water will drip into the bowl beneath the handle, leaving the salt on the bottom because it will not evaporate with the water. Now we'll wait for it to boil. Now we'll put our oven mitts on and take the top off of the rice cooker. The water has evaporated from the bottom of the rice cooker to the smaller bowl in the middle of the rice cooker where the rock is. We don't need this anymore, so we'll dump it out. Now what's left with the salt, which is easy to extract. And now you have salt. Drop it into a bag. And then you're all done.